Praying mantises are among nature's most fascinating creatures. So what makes them so special? Let's find out. Their name comes from their unique pose. Those raised arms make them look like they're praying. But don't be fooled by their calm appearance. These stealthy hunters can take down not just small insects, but even larger prey like scorpions. Masters of disguise, they blend perfectly into their surroundings, becoming nearly invisible to both predators and prey. And here's the real shocker. During mating, the female often eats the male, sometimes even while the act continues. It's one of the most bizarre relationships in the animal kingdom. Would you take that risk for one last moment with your loved one? If you enjoyed these wild facts, don't forget to subscribe for more.